Welcome to this quick guide on deploying MindsDB. MindsDB is an open-source AI-powered tool that brings machine learning capabilities directly into your database. It enables you to build, train, and deploy models using simple SQL queries, making it incredibly easy to integrate predictive analytics into your existing workflows. Whether you're forecasting sales, detecting anomalies, or enhancing business intelligence, MindsDB simplifies the process with real-time insights and seamless database integration. Let's get started. First, head over to Launch, Knife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Knife, you can quickly sign up. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now, look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on Open Hub. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications. Here, search for MindsDB. Once you see MindsDB, hover over it and click on Deploy. Deploying this application will usually take approximately 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, wait for about 90 seconds for the DNS to resolve. Now click on Open App. That's it for this quick guide on deploying MindsDB. For more details and advanced use cases, be sure to check out the official documentation. Linked is below in the description. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.